that means several people
no longer have access to mental health care
no longer have access to mental health care
and therapy that they desperately need.
I pay my rent on time every month. But because my building is in foreclosure, I may lose my home. The idea that if you play by the rules and work hard is a myth. NATO! CPD! The whole damn system! NATO! CPD! The Pentagon! The whole damn system! NATO! CPD! The whole damn system!
This job.